how to delete messenger chat for everyone. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. I am back here again with a simple and quick easy tutorial on how to delete messenger chat for everyone. So let's get started. Firstly, open your messenger application and open the chat where you want to delete the message. Long press the message which you want to delete. Now here you will see the 4 different options, from which click on the more option at the bottom right corner. Again here you will see the 4 different options. From these different options, click on the option that says remove. Finally here you will see the option of unsend and remove for you. Now in order to delete message chat for everyone, you need to click on the option of unsend. Once you click on the unsend button, the chat will be removed from the conversation. So there you have it. In this easy and simple way, you can delete messenger chat for everyone. I hope you understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay updated. Bye.